Welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you how to send GIFs in a Facebook group chat on your PC. GIFs are a fun way to express yourself and add some personality to your messages. Let's dive into the steps. First, open Facebook in your browser and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and you'll see the Messenger icon. Click on that to open your messages. Now, find the group chat. Where you want to send the GIF. You can scroll through your recent conversations or use the search bar to find the group you're looking for. Once you've found it, click to open the chat. Once you're inside the group chat, look for the sharpie GIF icon. This icon is located in the text input area, right next to where you type your message. It usually looks like a little square with the letters GIF inside. Click on the GIF icon. And this will open up a search bar where you can search for the GIF you want to send. You can type keywords like happy, funny, or celebrate, or just browse through the options. There's a huge selection of GIFs available, so you'll definitely find one that fits the mood. When you find the perfect GIF, simply click on it, and it will automatically be added to your message. All that's left to do is hit the Enter key, or click the I send button. And your GIF will be sent to the group chat. It's that simple. Now you can easily send fun and expressive GIFs to your friends in group chats, adding a little extra flair to your conversations. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Facebook and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.